生労働省は75歳以上の人が加入し高齢者医療制度です。This is radio station DZRV Radio Veritas, owned and operated by the Global Broadcasting System Incorporated, operating at 846 kHz with a power of 50,000 watts. The broadcast studios and offices of Radio Veritas are located at Veritas Tower, number 162 West Avenue Corner, EDSA, Quezon City. The transmitter and tower site at Barangay Talisip, Bulacan, Bulacan. DZRV Radio Veritas is authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with permit number DSTO 70997. Duly licensed electronics and telecommunications engineers and first-class radio telephone operator, transmitter and studio supervisor, Engineer Erickson Madela with license number ECE 25114. Transmitter technicians, Gilbert Fernando with license number 2K-1PHM-25169. Alvin Gibb with license number 96-1PIII-17211. And Ryan Torres with license number 2K-1PHM-25170. Studio technicians, Marlon Sandiego with license number 98-1PIII-22063. And Alexander Serahosa with license number 97-1PIII-19550. DZRV Radio Veritas is now signing on. The number one faith-based radio in the Philippines, in Mega Manila. Veritas 846 Kapanan, leading the way in the year of faith.
Pakinggan mo, may mabuting balita. Totohanan, pag-asa at pag-unawa. At kung puso mo ay naguguluhan, nalilito sa panalig, ika'y makinig.
Catholic Media Network and kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Pinupuri ka namin may likha ng lahat, sapagkat pinagkalooban mo kami ng mabubuting bagay sa lupa at binigay mo sa amin ang araw na ito. Araw ng pagpupuri at pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng kabutihang handog mo.